Most people don't need another get-rich promise. They need something that actually works even if they're starting from scratch. You don't need a degree.
No fancy setup.
No talking to a camera. Here are 5 online businesses that are worth building in 2025. No fluff, just real paths to income that don't require chasing trends or pretending to be someone you're not. 1. Newsletter plus paid community. Start with something niche, a topic people care enough about to pay attention. It could be AI tools, productivity systems, or beginner investing. The more specific, the better. Write short emails each week. Not essays, just things that help. Platforms like Beehive or Substack make it easy to launch and grow. Once there's a small audience, offer a paid version or a private group where people can go deeper. A few hundred subscribers can already mean recurring income. Takes consistency. But for anyone who enjoys research and sharing ideas, this is a great way to build long-term trust and income. 2. Faceless shorts plus simple digital product. Short-form video still works, but it's not about dancing or trends. It's about giving something useful in under 60 seconds. Stick to one topic: money tips, study hacks, freelancing tools. Use AI voiceovers and visuals made with Canva or CapCut. Keep it lean. Link each video to a digital product, a Notion template, a PDF guide, something easy to use. Upload it once to Gumroad or Etsy. If even one video takes off, sales can follow for months. It won't explode overnight, but with consistency and smart targeting, it builds. 3. Social media management. Most small business owners want to be online but don't have time to post daily or think in hashtags. That's where this business comes in. Offer to plan posts, write captions, and schedule content. Canva and ChatGPT handle most of the heavy lifting. Even basic content done reliably is valuable. Start small, maybe one business or creator, then add another. Monthly retainers can range from $300 to over $1,000, depending on what's offered. It's not passive, but it's stable. And once the workflow is set up, it runs smoothly. 4. Freelance copywriting. Every business needs words that sell for websites, emails, product pages, or ads. And most of them aren't great at writing those words. This is a skill worth learning. Plenty of free resources out there. Start by rewriting existing ads or pages as practice. Build a small portfolio. Early clients might come from platforms like Upwork or direct messages to small brands. With good results, word spreads fast. There's real money in this if the writing helps businesses make sales. It's work, but it's a skill that compounds. 5. Digital tools and templates. Templates save time. That's why people pay for them. Budget planners, workout trackers, content calendars, prompt libraries, simple tools that make life easier. Build once, list on Etsy or Gumroad, and promote through short-form content or Pinterest. This model suits anyone who enjoys creating systems or organizing information. It doesn't have to be beautiful, it just has to be useful. Sales start slow, but over time, one good product can pay off over and over. Each of these can start with just a few hours a week and grow as results come in. Pick one that feels manageable. Keep it simple and give it time to grow. If this helped, drop a like to allow me to make more videos like this.